Every now and then a new and innovative technology comes along that radically changes the world. A technology that is a quantum leap above everything that preceded it. And that's just what the hover sprinkler has done. The hover sprinkler is the world's most efficient water sprinkler. It saves so much water because it's got a 4-foot spray boom that evenly distributes the water, propels the water down through the blades of the grass, down into the soil, and injects it right down to the root zone, so you're putting the water right where you want it. The reason it's called the hover sprinkler is because it hovers like a flying saucer right above the ground. Once you turn the water on, those spray jets propel the hover sprinkler right above the ground. It's virtually weightless. Sure, the hover sprinkler is the world's most efficient water sprinkler, but what really separates it is the ability to really soak along curbs and sidewalks. There's no overspray like another conventional water sprinkler, but you can really soak the hard to water places along curbs and sidewalks where the grass gets so hot. But it doesn't matter with the hover sprinkler, because the hover sprinkler will keep your grass nice and moist and the grass soft and supple. And look, hardly any overspray. You can't do that with any other sprinkler. And another reason why the hover sprinkler is so great, I call stab and rotate. It's a great way to water your bushes and shrubs. You stab it deep down underneath, right at the base, and you rotate, and you're putting water down underneath your shrubs and bushes like no other sprinkler. No other water sprinkler in the world can do this. You're not putting it on the leaves, you're not putting it on the foliage, you're putting it right at the base of the bush and the shrub. Look at that, the plants just love that. The hover sprinkler is the world's most efficient water sprinkler, so go buy one today.